Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. If I'm audible to you, just let me know. Am I audible to you? Okay. Hi everyone. Now traders, here you can see I marked this zone. According to me, this area is seller's pressure zone. That means the seller who's entered on top, right? Nicely they moved market towards the downside, they would have exited, or during this reversal, they would have planned their exit. So this is a very crucial zone. The market, according to me, might not be that bullish as long as it goes above this area. Now you can see market right now is respecting the seller's pressure zone. Along with that, there was a trend line here. It has given a breakout as well. But the market is yet to open. That time small fluctuations can happen. In case, let's say from here, market corrects a bit. Any bearish setup if we get, momentum can be up to this zone, and then if the movement continues we can try to capture that, or else there is a high chance that we will miss out on the opportunity directly if we wait for this reversal. So this is one situation that we might have to think about handling right now. This is the selling pressure zone. From recent swing low to swing high, if you draw the Fibonacci level also, it is 236 level. Market here, it has strongly broken this level. I have an expectation that as long as seller pressure zone breaks, there is going to be a less momentum in the market, right? So with that logic, simply what we will do, since we do not want to miss out the opportunity, one small trade, okay, I will sell. Okay, we have entered here and I expect this area to be a safe zone. Close to $40 is the risk. This risk I might have to give because of the US market opening, right? That is one issue. For that, ideally this area should be the next area where market can attract some people and correct, or by chance if it continues I might decide to hold on to the trade. Okay, this is what I'm thinking about right now. As of now, I've just placed the sell order so that I do not miss out on opportunity. If someone wants to wait, you can wait for pullback or market to open later, you want to enter the trade, then you can consider. Okay, so this is the stop loss, this is the entry point. Hopefully market quickly do not make a bigger movement. Hello sir, Dheeraj sir, welcome to the live stream. Akash sir, welcome. Rohit sir, Martin, Prakash sir, Rokesh, Sheila ma'am, everyone welcome to the live stream. Sir, thank you sir, yesterday 2500 points captured. Okay, good. Good evening sir, Lakshmi sir, welcome. See, yesterday you asked me to come live stream, I have come. You wanted me to come a bit early, right? Of course, I'm not yet waited for US market open. Only thing is, let's say for some time if it corrects also, later if it gives a moment, that possibility or is there, or from here only it can correct. That possibility is there. Because I'm considering this area as seller's pressure zone. One concern I have, that is, like let's say this was continuous resistance. If market had given a strong breakout and then there was selling pressure, then more confidently I would have planned for bearish trade. Now simply I'm attempting so that, okay, before market opens any movement also is there, I'll try to manage the trade. Who wants to wait, you can wait for some more time. Good evening sir, Satya Classic. How much USD minimum required? Or what is the capital requirement? If you're asking, all those things already I have discussed previously in one video. That video I have posted in our channel. You guys can go and check it out. A lot of basic things I have covered in that. Chandru sir, good evening. Only 15 likes so far. Support the channel, traders. Sound very low. Okay, that is what I was expecting. Someone or the other will come and say sound is low. Thank you, sir, for yesterday too. Okay, you're welcome. Little buffer I have given. Hopefully, if market goes up to this zone for retest and corrects also, kind of okay. To what level can the market correct? Mm, little stop loss I will place little above, okay, up to this zone, just for my safety, so that I don't have to enter the trade twice. The stop loss I'm okay to take. Isikemoto sir, good evening. Still only 23 likes. Who wants to wait for the retest, you can do that. Alright, this is a trend line. Market has given a breakdown. Usually it might go for a retest, later it might correct. In that case, if you are entering, your entry, let's say it is somewhere at this zone or this zone, your stop loss might be on top. Little higher stop loss more than me you will get. Right, so who wants to wait for that, maybe you can consider doing that. Pranav sir, welcome to the live stream. Sir, do you know Tamil? Yes, I can speak Tamil. I can speak Tamil, Kannada, English, these three languages fluently. Hindi I can manage, Telugu I can understand and speak that well. So these are the languages I know. Pullback is good, reversal is not good, right? Pullback is fine for me. Reversal is something which I cannot, not under my control. Maximum up to this level only I can take the risk. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Your name I cannot read because I can speak Tamil. I cannot uh, read Tamil. Just join. Can you refresh your trade setup, sir? Refresh. Refresh, or you're asking me to share the view again? I refreshed. If you're asking me what is the reason for the setup, let me explain to you once more. In market, what is the trend right now? It is lower high and lower low, right? This seller entered the market previously and pushed the market towards the downside. During this fall, nice moment they would have captured, or when market recovered, usually the sellers might think, okay, this is a fair price to enter, and from this zone, if I start pushing the market towards the downside, I will get nice liquidity, right? With that view, if the seller is strong, then he will not allow the market to go above the seller pressure zone. If market, even after this pullback, and it is not respecting the seller pressure zone, it shows continuation, then market, once it goes out of the zone, or let's say it consolidates at the upper level, gives a breakout, then it might go target these people also. Until that is happening, these sellers can protect this area, is my understanding. So that is why I plan the trade. I have not waited until the US market open or all the data. Only here I could see Dow Jones, it was 0.2% in green. S&P 500, all those information yet we are to receive. I thought, okay, if market is neutral, then movement is possible. later point, if market makes of bigger movement, I will miss out on opportunity, right? So that is why here I have entered with small quantity. If someone wants, after this retest or something like that, if market is showing any bearishness, as long as it is in the selling pressure zone, you can consider. Of course, entering the market before US market opening and all those things is kind of risky. Mohan Kuppusamy. Okay, sir. Welcome to the live stream. Alexander, hello, sir. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. First time even I'm coming live at this time because some people asked, especially Lakshmi Babu sir asked me to come at 6:45 only. I've come. Sir, what is the target? Target we will decide. Okay. My expectation is at least up to this zone market can come. Based on the market condition, if I want here, I might exit, or if the trend is okay, I might think about continuing. First, let it come out of the zone. Okay. Most important thing is the stop loss, because any view can go to opposite direction. So market is supreme. So I feel these sellers who push the market towards the downside, here breakdown based on price action retest, again breakdown means little better it can be. Who wants to wait for some more time up to this zone, and later any correction is there, you can look at into it, maybe a breakout here, or you can wait until another 6 to 7 minutes, let the market data come out, then we will see. Bitcoin long time buy பண்ண full video போடுங்க. Sir, Venkataraman sir, I don't believe in உங்களுக்கு. I'll answer in English so that other people also understand. I personally do not invest in Bitcoin for long term because I don't like that concept, right? I think government, in whatever way possible, they will try to not allow a different currencies to wander around in the market, because they will lose their power. And they keep saying Bitcoins and all these things cannot be tracked, but tracking has already done. Someone in South Korea, they have done. Some people have hacked the system. So a lot of things is happening. In terms of investment perspective, I focus more on gold. I focus on nifty uh, nifty bees, ITBs, pharma bees. Those are the things which I focus on in terms of long term. I do not think um, bitcoins and things like that is something which I am interested in my life right now to invest in long term. But why are we trading? Because we are getting that marginal benefit. We are able to trade in the futures. Every trade is closed within the same day. So the amount of hacking and all those issues and all we do not face. Just like how we trade Nifty Bank Nifty, same way I focus on this. This is my personal opinion, right? This around 50% correction. Consider these three zones as any reversal area. Mostly here also market can come. But problem is at what level market will correct, we cannot say, right? So we might miss out on opportunity. I'm investing Nifty Bs. Okay. From this zone, if market corrects 1200 points, for people who take fresh entry. For me, only 800 points. Let me know, traders, once US data is out. Good evening, sir. Late login today. Need to work on this new timing. Like done. To push the market. Make sure it's not a very big candle. I don't know. Before it reaches that level only got triggered. What these guys. Anyways, I'll wait for it. Next setup. See what kind of volatility. That's why I think from tomorrow what I will do is I'll prefer to wait until the market opens and then I will decide to take the trade. We will mark off all the important levels and then better to wait, I feel. See, as of now, like I said, this is the selling pressure zone. Market do not have any stop loss hunting to do on the top. Either this has to be a false move before a correction, or this has to be a trend. Okay, this week if the up move happens, we cannot consider that as stop loss hunting. Only concern is how far this thing will go up to. From tomorrow, better I will wait for some time until the market opens. See, it can turn into our advantage as well as disadvantage. For me, that stop loss was sensible. That is what I had given. Apart from that, nothing else. Selling pressure zone, setup was fine, everything. We were already concerned about market opening, that I kept on informing. So that's what it is. Now it is still in the seller's pressure zone. Looking at this candle alone, we cannot randomly plan for any buy trade. Let it sustain above this seller pressure zone to look for buying. Half an hour to go. What, half an hour to go? Then what was this moment for? This one is 600, 650 points. Not yet. Now it has given a breakdown. It's gone for a retest. This level market is kind of respecting, but this candle, this is not yet given a closing. So little more waiting is needed. If the sellers who's on top, if they are strong, they will not allow the market to go. This is a very important zone. Now traders, based on what my understanding about the market is, based on what I have learned, I'm going to take this trade. This might be the last trade also if market proves me wrong. Okay, so my stop loss is going to be above this area, and if the movement happens, I'm going to capture it. If not, I'm going to give up and close the trade. Not going to complicate too much. Anyone wants to wait for the setup, whatever is the case, you can do it. This is the same thing what I was speaking earlier. Breakdown has come, market has given a retest, and this wick, what is the reason for this wick? I'm not sure, but here it is sustaining below this level. For me, this is interesting. From here, if market moves around quickly, if I'm not entering, I will not be able to capture. Late point I will enter at least 1300 points. A sensible thing for me to do. If you feel market is too much volatile here at this zone, you want to avoid, please avoid. This might be the last trade for me, right? Sir, what about scalper offer in the exchange? Could you tell me more about it? I think if you go here, you will get to know what is the scalper offer, right? So if you are closing your trade in 15 minutes, I think you will be getting that benefit. Only mm, only one side the trade will be taken into consideration. So around 50% off or things like that. Market is sustaining, so as much as possible, slowly I'll start reducing my stop loss. At least 1300 400 points it has to move. After that, it wants to go towards the downside, or it wants to continue the downtrend, or from here it will attack some people and reverse. That later, if market let it decide. But based on price action, stop loss hunting, it has to correct. It is sustaining. Try to reduce the risk slowly. Please don't consider this as double bottom. From here market will reverse. The chances and all is not looking bright here. This one random candle, 1200 points move, what and all it can do. My view is down. Taken entry 81,800 range. Okay, nice sir. Good thing you waited for the retest and later you have taken. Lakshmi Babu sir, you enter early than me, exit early than me. Yesterday nicely you captured 1000 points and went off. We had to wait for so long for 2500 points. Just like this one strong candle R side means things will be more simple. Here retest continuation. Mm-hmm. Just those kind of negative for what Jai this is holding. Happy evening, sir. I'll be little more happy if market moves down from here. Come on. One strong candle bearish side traders. We get that, that's more than sufficient. Rest everything market will take care. Volume analysis, so much importance I don't give. Right, what is visible for me in the chart based on price action, stop loss hunting, and how market is respecting the Fibonacci levels. These are the things I pay more importance to. If I keep adding, okay, volume profile, RSI, any CPR indicators, all those things, it will create confusion. Either stick to price action, stop loss hunting, or stick to the strategy what I have taught in this course. B- So stick to one thing. That's more than sufficient. This was the trend line. This is the selling pressure zone. Market has broken that level, went for a retest, but while retesting, it made a big spike here, hunted all the people who's on top. After hunting their stop loss, no other stop loss hunting level. So if market has to correct, it has to correct here. In case it is going above my level, that means it wants to continue the uptrend. Last time it had done this one moment here, right? Left shoulder, this left shoulder, head, right shoulder breakout, this move, kind of length of this as target. After this, it is trying to form a new trend above this zone. As long as it goes above that level, still my view is going to be bearish to sideways itself. Sideways also no problem because we are trading in the futures market. 73 people watching the live stream, only 37 likes. Those of you who have joined the live stream, support the channel by liking the video and then come to the comment section and mention your name. Top 5 names, whatever you mention in the comment section, we will announce their names. Thank you, Loki sir. Shinglamoy, thank you for liking the live stream. Akshay sir, thank you so much. Kasi sir, good evening. Welcome to the live stream. Nasdaq though slightly positive, S&P 500 still kind of bearish. Okay, if that is positive, that's okay. Now after I close this live stream also, not yet, but I'm saying after this trade, if I'm closing the live stream also, consider this zone as a very strong resistance area. Okay, as long as market is trading within below this zone, consider to have a bearish mindset itself about the market. Ideally, at least at this zone, let's say market attracted some people, hunted their stop loss randomly. Next set of people are here. So my expectation is at least up to this level market can go. After that, trend towards the downside can continue, or from here it will reverse. Until and unless it is in this zone, view is going to stay bearish itself. Okay. If you have understood the logic, mention that in the comment section. Have you understood what is the reason I've taken the bearish trade? How to trade with 5,000? See, I think 5,000 also you can trade, but you are going to trade with very less quantity where you will not have that emotion. At least bring in, let's say 10 quantity, 10 lots. Okay. With 10 lots, let's say your risk per trade, for example, $5 is your risk. Okay. Consider that. So at least for 20 days, 30 days, you have to try to, let's say you bring in 20,000 rupees. The 20,000 rupees you might have to manage for the entire month. Forget about making profit for the day, making loss. Avoid all those. Just stick to your trade setup, whatever is the rules. You follow that. 30 days you practice with the 20, try to sustain with the 20,000 without adding more funds. You will only see that the view about the market, what you have at the beginning stage and after 20 to 30 days is going to be dramatically, you are going to see a lot of changes. So consider doing that. You just bring in 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. You just take 2-3 trades. You try to do revenge trading. That doesn't work. Come with the mindset of at least I'm going to stay in this market for one whole month with the 20,000 capital what I'm bringing. Ranav sir, okay, thanks for confirming. SL hit. My SL is here, sir. Your SL hit? Hopefully, too much of attraction is happening at this zone. People are holding. At some point of time, if it strongly breaks, just like how it breaks on the upside, if it breaks here, smoothly it will come off down to this area, what I've highlighted. Just trying to find where liquidity is. As per my understanding, liquidity is not there on top. Trend continuation only is there on top. Okay. That I'm not focusing about trend continuation as long as market is in the seller's pressure zone. I hope you're getting my point. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. News at 7:30. Okay. 15 minutes more. Supply and demand zone, it keeps changing, right? So for example, let's say market gave a breakdown here. As per price action, market ideally has to go for a retest. After retesting, it will remove weak players because there is supply, and then since again at the zone, if market corrects, everyone will enter. So here demand will be created. From here market can move towards the downside, or at certain Fibonacci levels market can create supply and demand, or let's say at this zone, I mean to say, let's say here, if anyone is taking bearish trade, the stop loss is on top. To hunt the stop loss, market will move towards the upside. That also you can consider as supply zone. So ideally, people, what they do, they wait for this pullback, reversal and all those things, where market supply is available for them to enter, so that smoothly market can move towards the downside or upside depending on the situation. Someone is saying 7:30 there is news that data will come out. GB PCB lending index 7:30. How to add more units? Whatever trade you have taken. Now I've taken sell position, right? On top of this, let's say I add one more. Okay, I sell. I place the order. So now what happened? 100 became 101. So whichever side position you have taken, just go here. Same side, if you enter the trade, enter the sell, see that one position got added here. Went long in London session and made good profit. Thanks for your support. Okay, sir, you're welcome. Where to check news? You can check Mint. There are other websites also. Maybe for crypto related specifically, if you want to know where to check news and all, I'll make a dedicated video for that. You guys can go and check it out. Okay. What are the Nasdaq? They're just pushing it towards the upside. S&P 500 is just flat, now turned a bit positive. Still, I'll consider this as flat. I'm planning for this trade to be the last one for the day. Hopefully, if it reaches this target, good. We will try to hold on and try to capture, see if there is additional momentum possible. If that is there, we will try to capture that as well. So, Miss Sir, welcome to the live stream. Market to just consolidating within a range. So just trading at cost to cost levels itself. Since I consider this as seller pressure zone, I expect market to move at least up to this area. So that's why I've taken a bearish trade. Good afternoon, brother. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Do you have any playlist or courses to cover all basic chart patterns and make us understand basics of that? See, the basics of price action, stop loss hunting stays almost 90% same, right? Price action is a universal concept. You can use it anywhere. On our YouTube channel, definitely there is a playlist where I have made 1 hour video about how to trade intraday. Maybe you can go and check out that video where I have covered all the basics. Once you learn the same thing about Indian market, you come to this crypto market. For crypto, I made a 30 minutes video. You go watch that. Everything I've covered: stop loss, target, how to trade in dollars, how to trade with Delta Exchange. Everything I've explained. It's a free video on YouTube. So you go and check that out. That can add little more value, I be. So you can go have a look at that. If you guys want, every day I'm sharing that link. Sometimes new people come, maybe they're not aware of that. So maybe if the link is there, I will share. I'm searching for that link. My view is still bearish. Expectation is it will go up to target 1. Logan sir, good evening. See, whoever wants to learn basics of crypto trading, just go to the link what I've shared in the comment section right now. Copy that link, save it. It can be useful for you. That one video is more than sufficient to understand all the basic concepts. After that, you come to live stream, things will be more easy for you to understand, more clear for you. Hi, Guru sir. ಚಾನಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್. I'm 3000 invest. In what? In this trade? What is the global market doing? Only Nasdaq is on green. Okay. ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗನ? ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್. ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ತಮಿಳ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. One strong candle, right? One strong candle breaking this low will create panic for people. Later, at least let it come to the target one. Sir, gold and all, we are not supposed to. Gold we can discuss. One setup is going on. Just give me some time. Around 73 people watching the live stream, only 54 likes. Come on, traders, at least make the views equal to the likes. So don't make the views 254. Make the views, let the views be as much as it is. Just increase the likes. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. Market has given only a movement of 475 points. If people are worried because of the upcoming news, you want to exit, you do that. I'm not exiting. I'm just going to leave the trade at as it is because I'm okay to take that stop loss. Stop loss or target. I think this is going to be the final trade for the day. Dheeraj sir, what are you laughing at? I'm getting less views. You're laughing at that? How is 50,560 level may retest? 80,560. 80,560 range. See, if market has to form a double bottom also, right? Let's say within this zone, what you're saying, or this zone. Here also, if it is forming double bottom, since this is a selling pressure zone on top, I'm still not convinced that market will quickly move. At least as per what I'm seeing, as per the data, based on news, something they want to push the market all of a sudden, something like that. That is not under my control. But since this is a selling pressure zone, even if market, let's say, comes for a retest here, moves towards the upside, then still I would be convinced that market has potential to move towards the downside. This is not like me being stubborn. This is based on what analysis or view I've been sharing from quite some time, right? So now one strong candle is coming. The future if market comes down. Sir, number kodi. ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Time now is 7:30. They're saying some news is going to come out or things like that. Because of that, market can be a bit volatile or anything as such. That's why I've not got down my stop loss. Because this stop loss already I've decided I'm okay to give for today. Okay? Because this is the high of the seller pressure zone. As long as market is staying below the selling pressure zone, my view about the market is bearish itself. So again, I don't want to get my stop loss here. Again, I don't want to take second bearish trade. All those things I don't want to do. Looking at the volatility, my stop loss might get hunted. Try to manage your stop loss. If your stop loss you are kept as per your maximum risk capacity per trade, then don't change your stop loss level like mine. Don't keep it so far. News is out. What's the news? Come on, target one. This one candle alone would have given you a nice movement of close to 1000 points. If you're worried, you want to exit, you exit. Hi sir, for 100 lot, what is the capital used? You go here, you choose 100 quantity. For that, it will say to enter 100 quantity margin is $160. So around 16 to 20,000 rupees. I'm saying this based on 50x leverage. If you take 100x, if you take 200x leverage, then lesser capital is required. But there is a problem when you take trades with very less capital. After you take the trade, at least some amount has to be there in your account. Okay, as long as that is not there, you see liquidation price. There is something called liquidation price. I've discussed about that in the free video. People who want, you just scroll up and you see. I've shared one education content video, right? How to trade in Delta Exchange. That video you guys go see, you will get an idea. So whoever has entered along with me, what has been 1300 points move? 1200 to 300. I'll consider 1300. I'm considering this as target. Okay, target 1. I want to stay in the market as much as possible, but this area you guys just consider as the target zone. Okay, for most of them, to protect your capital, booking the target is important. You can, anytime you want, you can book the target. Close to 1200 points it had given. Strongly holding 200 EMA. It's going below that. I stick with 25x capital to avoid liquidation. That's a good thing. See, here I put 50x, but I have capital to manage. For me, it doesn't get liquidated. Everything in detail I have explained in that video, guys. It's just that you have to just be ready to spend 30 minutes of your time. Go check it out. I'll share that video link again here. I'm trading only with 10 lots, made $7 in this trade. Okay. Profit though has cut to half. As long as you don't book, the profit is not yours, right? I think I will trade with 10 lots this month. Very good idea. For 30 days, you do only with 10 lots and manage one Excel sheet or a data where every day you tell what is the reason for you to take that entry, what was your stop loss, how much target you achieved, how much points you captured. Okay, and did you stick to the rules or not? All of those things every day you have to make a journal. If you do that for 1 month, that is where you can develop your psychology. Was US market reacting? It is just saying as it is. Again, this close to this target one only, it's reversing. Who is interested to join the crypto community group, in the pinned comment you can see the link to open account with Delta Exchange. You can do that. After opening account, you need to send your Delta Exchange user ID to this number. We will check and we will give you access to our crypto community group. There I share strategies for free of cost. So if you're interested about that, you can try. This is the number. If you want, you take a screenshot of this. My trade is done. I'll better close to avoid additional trades. Okay. I have opened account with XNS. XNS platform, I'm not aware of that. I'm not used it also. From the time I've started, I'm using only Delta Exchange. So to become a part of crypto community group, you can open account with Delta Exchange and message our team. Close the trade. Thank you. Okay, sir. The fall was decent, close to 1200 points. So if market moves down by 1000 points, if you have taken 100 quantity, you will make $100. Why didn't you exit at $110 profit? How I look at the market is different, sir. I'm okay to give this loss. I know there are certain people who will say you should have exited here. You told everyone to exit. Why you did not exit? I did not exit because my psychology works differently. For you to protect your money, 1200 points looked like a very good move for you. So you went according to that. For me, I'm thinking of risking 100 for that, at least 200 or something like that. I'm planning. If market gives me that, okay. If not, I'll take the loss and I will go. Hedge trade possible in futures market. There is no requirement for you to take hedge in the futures market because in Delta Exchange you are already getting a decent leverage, right? You can use the leverage that you need. So the capital requirement to trade in the futures market is comparatively less than in Indian market. In Indian market, minimum 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh rupees you need to have to trade in the futures market. In Delta Exchange, it's not like that. And there is no restriction for you to trade in lots. You can trade with even 10 quantity. So capital requirement is going to be very less. With 2000 rupees only you can place order. What do you think of FII selling? You're asking FII selling in Indian market. Can we sell again? For you to sell again, are you ready to give the stop loss? Because There is 50% chance that the stop loss will get hit. I was more confident about the target 1. Target 2, I'm trying to plan big. So for that, I'm okay to give the stop loss. Are you ready to give the stop loss? That is the question. If you say yes, bro, in Indian market, FIIs are continuously selling because first thing is our market is overvalued, and second, our Indian currency value is depreciating, our reserves is depreciating. Somehow they are trying to hold on to the market. So negative returns they have got. Uh, in addition to that, market is overvalued and dollar is strong. Taking all of these into consideration, FII still they'll be selling in the market itself is my personal opinion. At least you can sell half and hold other half. Ah, see, that is okay, traders. I have to be worried about it only if I am. This risk is not as per my capacity. This risk is okay for me to take. For some people, okay, here, okay, half the quantity I want to enter, they think, okay, exit half the quantity, no problem. I'm saying maximum what I will do, I will lose 100, $115, right? I'm okay for that, I'm saying. If you're not having that mindset, that's okay. You can book here 1200 points, move came. I said, whoever wants to book, you book. How to subscribe? Subscribe to what? These days, swing itself is a big bomb. Overnight positions we will not carry. Next day we will start thinking what FIIs, DIIs might be doing based on price action and stop loss hunting. According to that, if the sentiment is going as per the view with small stop loss, we will consider. If market is not going as per the plan without thinking too much, giving that small stop loss, we exit. That's all is in our hand, traders. Here when market has given a breakdown here, it would have attracted some bearish traders. 200 stop loss market is corrected, but this is seller's pressure zone. So my expectation is as long as it stays below the selling pressure zone, I marked this area, right? As long as market is staying below the seller pressure zone, I'm not planning for any second trade where I want to re-enter at the upper level or something like that. Little above the selling pressure zone, I kept my stop loss. I'm thinking this is going to be the first target. Market might give movement of 2000 points maybe. All those things are factored in. Based on that, I'm sitting. Sometimes what will happen, random spikes will come. It will hit the stop loss. Later continue the trend. Like how that first candle came. Nothing can be done. Not every time the same thing will happen. It will go as per our direction also. What we have decided before taking each and every trade, the risk, right? First trade also, what I did immediately after entering, my stop loss is here. This is the maximum I will give. Decided, done. That's it. What is the lot size? 100. Why IndusInd Bank is falling? I should not speak about stock specific, but there is some issue going on with RBI and the tenure of SBI IndusInd Bank this one, chairman, they want to extend it only for 1 year, but they are asking his tenure to extend for 3 years. So in case he's not there, some other replacement will come. So there little things are going on in that. I should not be speaking about stock specific, so let me stop it there. Trail to 81,600. 81,600. Okay. It moves up, maximum can return here or here. So that is something you can consider. Above that, if market is going, that means okay, sellers are weak. They no longer want to hold the market. Like that you can consider. How much capital needed? All those things in this video I've discussed, sir. Sarbuddin, I've shared one link right now. Please have a look. Not now, after the live stream, okay? Close to 1 hour live stream done. No big movement in the market. Nasdaq though flat. S&P 500 slightly bearish. That also I'll consider as flat only. $78,700 can be a good target. Now this is where they started to push the market. I don't think it might go up to 78. It might, this zone what I'm at, maximum I feel this can be the zone where market, if it falls, this can be the first target, this area can be the second target, but for that first let it come to the first target. This though is just playing games within a same range. Is there any way you can trade S&P 500 and Nasdaq futures? No. We're not authorized to trade in those script because there is a restriction for us. Yesterday both of our target hit, right? Target 1 and target 2. Not necessary today market has to hit. Market will do what it wants to do. Only thing is our risk reward, how we want to manage. we will manage according to that and go, right? Rest everything is left to the market. Senator Loomis reintroduces Bitcoin Act proposing 1 million BTC purchase. See, first, let them, what they propose and what they do might be completely different, right? We might not have to give so much importance for that. Previously, what Trump said, he is going to have crypto as reserves. That means they said, okay, fresh purchases the government will do. But now what they're saying, already reserves what they have, they're going to maintain, they're saying. So all these things might create some kind of unnecessary volatility in the market. So in that volatile, based on the news, if we plan, and do you think the news what they are announcing, many people would have already factored in. Based on that, this movement would have come. Now, based on news, anyone is thinking of entering to, and the stop loss market can correct, right? All these possibilities is there. At some point of time, I've stopped looking at the news and other things. There are certain things we need to factor in, like what was the sentiment of the global market previous day. Now, what is the sentiment? How is it performing? And is there any important events going to come? Based on that, how people will react. I'm not speaking about the outcome of the event. I'm speaking about considering that there is going to be some event, how people will react. So those are some factors I'll give importance, but that maybe is just going to be 10%. See, I'm a small person in this big market. Okay, I cannot factor in each and everything before I take a trade. Only thing which is under my control is my risk for the trade, where I want to book my target, right? What is the capital I have to invest for this? That's all is under my control. Based on that only, I can go ahead, take the trade. If it is going as per the view, fine. Not going means I'll book. I feel for majority of the people early morning sitting and watching the news channels and all those things, first they need to avoid that. Based on whatever you say, market might react. But I would consider that big players would have already factored in that news. Okay, John sir, hopefully that's my point of view. Not necessary you have to take my point of view, but that's what I feel. That's how me staying in this market for so long, I feel is the best thing to do. Close to 900,000 points movement market has done. Who are worried about the trade, you want to book, you book. This is a very strong zone, right? So market till now, from here there was a pullback, again it is trying to hold on to this range. Is it going to form a W pattern? All of those things, clarity to a certain extent I cannot judge, right? This is the selling pressure zone. Expectation is market will stay below this zone. With that view, I have taken the trade. Not complicated too much. Each candle movement I cannot judge or predict, right? Hopefully it's making sense. If the strong level breaks, then I will get off my stop loss. I'll get it down. Once more, I'm saying whoever entered along with me, This target 1, as of now, I will consider this as achieved. Okay. Now market is at make or break level. If the trend continues, good for us. You want to trail your stop loss as much as possible, please do that. See, for many people, 1300 points is a decent move. You want to exit, you exit. Okay, protect your capital, close your day in green. Please do that. Consider that. Trail to cost. Okay. What's happening in each of your traders? Let me know. What have you decided? Have you exited? Are you trailing the stop loss? Are you still in trade? Whatever is the case, let me know. Market might not reach target 2 also. That is why I'm saying whoever wants to trail your SL, please do that. Okay, as much as possible. Already 1200 points you guys have captured. That's a decent profit. I've just put the target price here, but at any point of time I feel like exiting, I will exit. First target done already. Closed, sir. Okay. Arun Kumar sir is saying thank you. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. See, yeah, target 1 how market is reacting. I will repeat, this is 1300 points, 1400 points move from the time I've taken this trade. You want to exit, please do that. Okay. Nazib Ali exited. Okay. Ramesh sir closed. Okay. Be little sensible with your capital, because I have your trade. How you manage your risk, whatever it is your responsibility. I have reduced my risk as much as possible. Okay, I think it will go up to the second target, but for that, since previously I was ready to give up to this level, now I've got it down up to this level. Future, if it goes little more, I will reduce. 1000. Those of you who's watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, support the channel. See, again, this is a crucial zone. Market gave a breakdown here. So little to attract, again it can move up and correct, or directly it can reverse. That is not under my control, right? What is the US market saying? It is saying slightly negative, or 0.4% means I will consider it as sideways only. Trail to 80,800. Okay. See, this is a good zone for many people to book profit, as per my opinion. 1300, 400 points you have got, and 80,000 is a psychological level. Will market respect this level or not? I don't know. My target is little more lower. I feel this is a selling pressure zone. It is difficult for market to go up. As long as it goes above the seller pressure zone, market can be bearish is what I feel. So based on that logic, I'm sitting. Why I'm sitting with logic also, I'm telling you. At the same time, why for many people to exit this might be the best thing to do also, I have told. Now you need to decide. Your voice is breaking. Any network issue, sir? For me here it is saying network is excellent. If my voice is breaking, what you do is close the live stream, again you rejoin. sometimes that happens on YouTube, and see if it works. What about others? What are others doing? As long as you don't tell me what is your current state. Have you exited? Are you still in trade? Are you holding? Have you trailed your stop loss? As long as you don't tell me, I cannot give any kind of suggestion from my end. Hi sir, on which time frame need to draw support and resistance, and how to find buyers and sellers zone? See, recently you draw a trend line here. This acted as a nice resistance. This can be a seller zone, right? So as per my understanding, based on stop loss hunting, I expected, okay, market is at the zone. Sellers who are here, if they are strong, they will enter here. They will not, even if they give a breakout, they will push the market towards the downside. That was the view. That is what from that time I was saying. Market tricked us a bit here at the zone by forming this candle. But again, later somehow we managed to take the bearish trade. Now it is going as per the view. Exited target 1. Okay, sir. Suresh Kumar, sir. Good. I will make it no loss, no profit, no loss trade. Okay. Cost to cost. So this has become a risk-free trade for me. Yes, I can see 140, $150 profit. That one we will see. As long as I don't book, it is not mine. I'm not getting any temptation to book. I'm not seeing anything that is saying that, okay, do not hold on for long. Maybe I'm not looking at it. Maybe from here, if market is reversing, what to do? I'll cost to cost, right? I will exit. Sorry. Mm, 1500 points move. It's a decent one. Sir, how to tell sellers? For that, you have to learn price action stop loss hunting, sir. Already it's there in our course. How to understand buyers, where buyers can re-enter, where sellers can re-enter. All those things I've explained in our stop loss hunting masterclass. On YouTube also many times in previously when I was doing analysis video there and all I have explained. I'm holding on to the trade expecting another 1000 points move. Possibility is there. The possibility without pullback, if it comes, that is good. Any pullback, any sideways, just again I might have to stay in the live stream for long. Just trail and manage your risks, sir. That's all. Sellers are putting pressure. You see, when market is coming like this, here it is an attraction. If it goes here there is an attraction. Here if it gives a breakdown, it's an attraction. But after this, I don't feel market will stay lower. It might go sideways for some time. Later it might correct. That I'm not sure. Whoever's holding, trail and go. We'll finish this quickly. This is a strong candle. Make use of this. Okay. So whatever happens, I'm going to book the profit near target 1. Okay. This is the second target. Little more. Can I push? Basically, this is my second target. Okay. Little more. I'm pushing my target. Now I would consider that, target is kind of achieved. This is the maximum. Who wants to exit? Exit. You guys will not exit if I don't exit. I've closed my position. Okay. So in this particular trade, close to 170, 180 points we have done. Who wants to hold? Tail your stop loss, whatever it is. My live stream is already 1 hour 20 minutes. I have to go have dinner also. So what is my expectation? After target 2, if market reaches, after it gives a breakdown, here is where it might reverse. Okay. Who wants trail the stop loss to this candle and go? Someone was asking why $100 we do not book. This is the reason. This is the conviction. Okay, continuously 2 days we have captured a decent move in the market. So you guys made use of it, I believe, close to 1900 points. How much? So this was the target 2. It's near that zone. I tried to extend that target and do all those things, but why simply? It's okay. I'm more convinced about the setup, not the amount what we made. Hopefully you guys made use of it. Thank you for participating in the live stream. For regular live stream, please join us tomorrow around 6:45. I'll be coming. Okay. So almost here. It's very close here. I will consider target completed. Whoever wants to trail and go, is there a potential? There is a potential up to this zone, right? So how much movement additional it is? It is close to another 600 points. All right. So good move, 2300 points done. Okay, Ramesh sir, you're welcome. Shinglamoy, thank you for participating in the live stream. Whoever enjoyed the live stream, support the channel traders by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos like this. Because at least concurrent views, at least I need to increase it to 100, right? Whoever is trailing your stop loss, trail and go, trail and go. This is the zone, maximum zone. Okay. After this, a bigger pullback can come. Not small, bigger pullback can come. Okay. All right, traders. Thanks for participating. Hope you made use of the content. Good night. God bless you. Trail and go if you want as much as possible. Consider this zone. If it breaks this level, maximum when it is breaking itself, just bring off your stop loss towards this zone. Okay. Now if you are there in the trade, keep your stop loss here. If this is followed by one more candle, get off your stop loss here. Keep doing that. It is wrong for me to say after I exit for you to trail your stop loss. Do whatever you want. Both the target is achieved. If you want to capture that extra movement, if it comes, do that. If any trailing stop loss hits, done. My target's done. I'm going to close. Bye bye. Before closing the live stream, please like the video, right? Subscribe to the channel.